was fucking with me. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Ooh. Come on, bitch. Bam. All right, now I'm gonna put the drain plug back in. Shit. Yeah, it's good. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Ooh. Come on, bitch. Bam. That's what I'm talking about. Got that. All right, so this is everything that I have for my oil change on my 2006 F-350. So I got some Rotella 5W40. I got these from Tractor Supply. I think these were like $64. Then I got some Stiction Eliminator. I have to use 2 quarts of this. My truck takes 16.5 quarts because I have a Sinister filtration system, OEM oil filter, and the tools that you need: a ratchet to break the drain bolt, and a 3/4 socket, some funnels, a crescent wrench for my filter housing, my oil filter housing, which is right here, and then a 15mm wrench to take this off, this steel braided line. This goes to the oil filter. Now I'm gonna just take the oil cap off. That's right here. And then here's the engine oil dipstick. Well, actually that's the transmission stick. I'm tripping. But I'm gonna need your help pouring this back into these jugs too. I'm gonna just need you to hold the jug for me. Okay, babe. And I changed my oil about a month and a half ago. And I didn't know how sensitive these trucks are to oil changes. So you get air in the system when you change your oil, and then that'll cause your truck to shake really bad. But I didn't know that. So how you prevent that is to use that Stiction Eliminator. It helps so that your injectors don't get stuck. But I didn't get that the last time, so that's why I picked it up. And then you also have to do a few hard pulls after you change your oil to get the air out of the system. FYI. All right, now I'm gonna put the drain plug back in. Hey, these skeeters is out. There we go. And I have to take this off so that I can get my filter housing cap off. Babe, can you do me a favor? Mm-hmm. Can you go in my tool bag and get me that mallet that I bought when we went to Harbor Freight? Yeah. You can set it right there. Thank you. The fuck? Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Yeah. I'm gonna pull this oil from under here, babe. All right, so here's my filter. You wanna make sure to get OEM filters because the truck is really sensitive. And here's your O-ring. That goes onto the cap.
Babe, you need a box for the old one because it's gonna be leaking, right? Yeah.
I can put it in this one. Last time I did this shit was hard to take out, actually. Bruh. And you're also gonna need some type of pick or screwdriver to get this O-ring off. Babe, can you open this for me, please? Thank you. And you wanna make sure to lube your O-ring so that it doesn't, it's easier to take off the next time you have to take it off. Now we take the old filter, make sure it seats properly in here, because that's another thing that can cause issues when it comes to your truck shaking after oil change. All right, that's in there. So make sure to put oil in your oil filter housing before you put your filter back in to prevent dry starting. So I'm gonna pour about a quart in here first. All right, that's good. Now I'm gonna screw the filter back in there. All right, so I just put 10 quarts in. Now I'm gonna do 2 quarts of the stiction eliminator. Oh, this is 2 quarts. So this whole bottle.
So you didn't do that before?
Nah, I didn't. But it recommended me to, fuck. It recommended me to do it after I changed my oil the first time. But I just never went back and got it. This will prevent that shaking and the stiction of your injectors. So that's 12 quarts. I need about 16 and a half. So I need about 4.5 more quarts. Hey, can you hold this for me? And you can hold this too, baby, please. Scared the fuck out of me.
It did.
I didn't know what the fuck that was. Now I'm gonna start it and let the oil cycle through and then check it, see where it's at. Yeah, it's good.